Policy Analysis and Program Evaluation Workshop is being offered by Cornell University's ILR School in collaboration with GRAAM in India. And this workshop is meant for mid-career professionals who are engaged in the social science sector, who are providing services for different populations, and who are in the business of supporting the local governments, the state government, or the national government in thinking through what are some of the policies that help reduce disparities across income categories, across different demographic categories in India.
GRAAM and ILR School at Cornell, together in partnership, run this workshop in India. The idea is to run this workshop in different cities across the country in India, and this workshop essentially is to build the capacities of people in policy analysis and in program evaluation.
In the US and Canada, for example, every government program that is started comes built in with an evaluation mechanism and an evaluation budget. This is not the case in India. So there are many government programs that are implemented but not evaluated for its effectiveness. There are, for example, many economists who evaluate national policy on education, on the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, but they evaluate it at the macro level. What we really need are more evaluations on how it operates at the program level, at the micro level.
Across the 3 faculty members who are going to be involved deeply in the program, we share about 75 to 100 years of experience of working in the field. With my expertise in the area of quantitative methods and Dr. Sarosh's expertise in the area of qualitative methods, as well as Dr. Balu's expertise in terms of policy analysis and program evaluation in India as well as across different countries, we really bring depth of knowledge for participants that they could utilize in building their understanding and perspectives around policy analysis and evaluation.
GRAAM plays a crucial role. I mean, while Cornell University provides the academic instruction in evaluation and methodology, GRAAM makes it possible for people who attend the 2-week workshop to actually practice their skills out in the field, where GRAAM has a number of evaluation projects and programs running.
This is being driven by the intention to build capacity among professionals in India to be able to conduct high quality policy analysis and evaluation, which is necessary increasingly in the developing world. Let's agree, the resources are finite. There's only that much of money available in social sector to the benefit of everyone. And for any organization to then utilize that beneficially, they need these type of skills to be able to serve their people in the best possible fashion.
Social programs in the government is a major thing in India, and so evaluating them would add a lot of value to the system.